Okay, you're on. Tell me what you're doing.
I'm mixing
What are you making?
some dinner.
Are you making Caesar salad?
Yeah.
What are the ingredients? What are in there?
Pepper.
Pepper and garlic
Yeah.
and mustard
Yeah.
and oil
Yeah.
and Worcestershire.
Yeah.
Can you say Worcestershire?
Worcestershire. Huh?
Oh, that looks really yummy.
Yeah.
Olive oil?
Olive oil.
Olive oil.
Of course.
These are spicy.
Yes. Could you take a taste with one finger and put it to your tongue and see whether it tastes good?
It tastes good. You want to try?
I'd love to try. That is yummy. Good job, Danielle. All right. No more fingers.
Just mix.